Most people think wealth is just a number, a salary, a savings balance, a net worth they calculate in their head. They're wrong. Wealth is not a number. Wealth is a level, and there are 7 of them. Each level has completely different rules. What works at one level will actively work against you at the next. Most people spend their whole lives playing by the rules of the level below where they're trying to go, and they never understand why they can't break through. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you all 7 levels, exactly what each one looks like from the inside, and the single hidden transition that separates level 3 from level 4, the most important financial shift most people will ever make. Stay with me. This changes how you see money forever. Level 1 is survival. Every dollar that comes in goes straight back out. Rent, food, bills, transportation. There's nothing left to save. The month ends before the money does. People at level 1 aren't lazy. Many are working 2 jobs. The problem isn't effort, it's that there's zero margin between income and basic needs. The only move at level 1 is to create breathing room. More income, lower expenses, or both. Nothing else matters until that gap exists. Level 2 is stability. Bills are paid. You have a small buffer, maybe 1 or 2 months of expenses. It feels safe. But it's not. One emergency and you're back at level 1. The real danger at level 2? The illusion that you've arrived. You feel so much better than before that the urgency to move forward quietly disappears. Most people stay here for years, sometimes decades. Now let's talk about where most people actually get stuck. Level 3 is accumulation. This is where the majority of working people in developed countries spend most of their lives. You earn more than you spend. You save the difference. You might invest in index funds or retirement accounts. This is the level the entire personal finance industry speaks to. At level 3, your money is working, but only slightly. Compounding is happening, but it's slow. Progress feels visible but takes years. And this is where the trap is set. The number one thing that keeps people stuck at level 3 isn't bad investments or market crashes. It's lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up with it. Better apartment, newer car, more travel, nicer restaurants. The surplus disappears before it can compound. This isn't weakness. It's human nature being perfectly exploited by the consumer economy. The people who escape level 3 aren't necessarily smarter or more disciplined. They simply discovered one specific truth. Here it is. At level 3, you earn money first, then decide what to do with it. At level 4, you decide what the money will do before it ever reaches you. That's the entire difference. Level 4 people automate their investments so the money is moved before it ever hits their spending account. The decision is already made. No monthly battle with willpower required. Most people at level 3 never make this structural change. They try to budget harder, cut expenses, or pick better investments. But none of those move the needle like this one decision does. This is the bridge. Level 4 is momentum. Now compounding is working visibly. In good years, your investments grow more than you're actively adding. The financial system is finally working for you instead of against you. This is the first level where the primary question shifts from how do I save more to how do I protect and deploy what's already working. Net worth is often between $200,000 and $1.5 million, but the real marker isn't the number, it's the momentum. The danger here is overconfidence. A couple of strong market years can make you feel like you've figured it out. You haven't. You've just experienced a working system in a favorable environment. The next jump requires something most people resist. Level 5 is financial independence. Your investments generate enough income to cover your lifestyle indefinitely. The job becomes optional. This is what most people picture when they think of being wealthy. But reaching it often doesn't feel the way people expect. The habits and fears built over decades don't disappear just because the numbers say you're safe. Level 6 is legacy. The question changes from will I have enough to what will this money do after I'm gone? Multi-generational structures, trusts, foundations. playing on a timescale most people never think in. Level 7 is systemic. At this level, you're no longer operating inside the financial system. You're part of the architecture that shapes it. Very few people ever reach this. So where are you right now? Most people watching this are at level 2 or level 3. And the single most important thing you can do, the thing the entire consumer system is designed to keep you from doing, is making that structural shift from level 3 to level 4. Automate your money before it reaches your spending account. Set it once. Let the system do the work. That one decision, repeated consistently over time, is the difference between staying at level 3 for the rest of your life and reaching level 5 with years left to actually enjoy it. The financial system isn't built to teach you this clearly. Now you know. If you want to understand the hidden systems that actually run money and power, the ones most people never see, subscribe to The Hidden Ledger. This is what we do here every single week. Drop your current level in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.